Over the next couple of days, we will be seeing plentiful sunshine like what we've been seeing this afternoon across all of central Texas, and that's going to spell upper 90s for tomorrow and maybe even the next day. In fact, as we start to see more humidity return, that could mean more heat advisories being issued for our area, because anytime we get to those heat indices of 105 plus, sometimes the National Weather Service will elect to issue a heat advisory if that is indeed the case. So speaking of the heat index, here's what it's going to be looking like over the next little while. So tomorrow, as we reach a high of 98, the humidity won't be terrible. So while we could see during peak afternoon heating some heat indices in the triple digits east of I-35, I'm probably not going to be seeing any heat advisories issued there. I think maybe the more likely scenario is that we could see some on Wednesday, because really this is when it starts to get overwhelming with those high humidity levels. In afternoon, the heat index could be running at 103 or above in many places. That's especially along and east of I-35, so not the most comfortable of days, and we'll have to see what the National Weather Service chooses to do in terms of that. So here's how tomorrow is going to run down. We'll be starting things off very clear, 7 o'clock in the morning at 76 degrees. We'll have winds of about 5 to 10 miles per hour throughout the day out of the south and southeast. 92 at 12 with just a few clouds here and there. Same thing can be said for 5 o'clock, 96. And our high, somewhere in between there, should be about 98 degrees. And by 10 o'clock, everything will be cleared out with a temperature of 85 degrees. And finally, here is that 10-day forecast. Wednesday, just a touch cooler at 97 as opposed to 98. But again, the heat index might actually be higher on that day, so that's something we'll watch. Another 97 on Thursday with some isolated shower chances also on Friday, and Friday drops 3 degrees down to 94. We'll see some more mid-90s for the weekend as some shower chances come and go, and we'll have more sunshine going into next week with highs in the mid-90s.